Hello friends, welcome to channel Study Guide. So friends, once again we welcome you on our channel Study Guide. So today we are starting a new session on MATLAB. Now in this MATLAB session from today we will discuss different circuits and power system simulations, power electronic simulations, and also some control system study and the signal system study in via the MATLAB. Okay, MATLAB is one of the important enhancement academic tool that you can learn very easily. Okay, those who want to study the MATLAB and elaborately, they can follow me on my channel's study guide. Okay, the different links, there will be a separate MATLAB sessions. Okay, over time to time, and there would be some recommended, and also I would hear from you too the whatever should be the different topics for the MATLAB sessions. And I hope this session is not for only for the students from India, this from the students from outside India. So okay, I expect. So we have taken the first of all, this is a very simple circuit. This is a RL circuit. You can see this RL circuit, there is no excitation voltage. Okay, you can see there is no excitations. Okay, that means this circuit would not work. But you have to understand that this inductance is already energized. Okay, so we have put a value of 2 of inductance value 2, and we have set an initial inductor current of value 10. Okay, that means it has already an initial energy. Okay, so what we have done, we have just to show that whatever the energy stored in the inductor, that will be dissipated in the resistor. You can see a series circuit over here, and here is a current measurement block, and here is a voltage measurement block. Okay, the current measurement is very important. We can see the curve of the current via the scope. Okay, and what we will see, we will see that we have already studied that the current will decay exponentially, but how fast it will decay, that depend on the time constant of the circuit. Okay, that is theoretical portion, but in this session we will not go into the theory session, and we will go to the directly to the graphical session. Okay, so I just run this MATLAB once again. Okay, so whatever the energy stored in the inductor, that will dissipate through the resistance. Okay, so the simulation has been done. Now we will see from the scope. Okay, what is the scope is saying, that this is the initial current 10 and it is now decaying. You can see. Okay, initial voltage 40. Okay, and this is the decaying. Why 40? If you ask, you have to see what is the resistance value. That is 4. Okay, 4 into 10, 40. Okay, whatever the voltage, V equals to R into I, 10 initial current 10, and at last what will happen, that what you have already know, that the current will be I equals to I naught e to the power minus RT by L. That was the formula. I hope you can clearly remember it. So let us see the formula once again. Okay. Okay, this was the formula. This is I equals to I naught initial current into e to the power minus RT by L, or you can say this is I equals to I naught e to the power t by tau. Okay, so so this tau, what is tau? This is the time constant. The tau is known as L by R. Okay, so this depends how much the curve, the exponential curve, how much it is decaying. Okay, it is decaying sharply or not, that depends on this tau. Okay, we have already done it's theoretically, but I have shown this to you in the MATLAB session. So I hope you have already enjoyed, everyone enjoyed it. So what is your opinion about for our further videos? Okay, so you can comment, or you can ask your demand on our comment section, please. So whatever the videos you want on the MATLAB session particularly, so we have done a lot of sessions on the theoretical session. So what is the MATLAB session you want to ask from us, you can ask, and according to your demand we will definitely give you a lot of videos for you. And thank you, and hope if you have enjoyed it, please share these videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.